This is a fiberglass screen mesh. You can buy it on Home Depot, Lowe's. Here is a rubber band on the car windows. See? And it's easy to put something inside this rubber band. I will stick mosquito mesh between rubber bands and the car. It's so easy. I'm almost done. Okay. And this way. And the Toyota Sienna has built-in window screen, and I put it up to secure my first cover of anti-mosquito screen. Sleep and be sure there is no mosquitoes in my car. I have to take scissors and cut it. I cannot open this door because if I open it, it will go down and everything will be just destroyed. This is why I'm using just this one door to get in, and I'm not using this one. You can do it every day, but I don't want to spend my time to do it every day. And the same I'm doing with my moonroof. See, and I just put it here, the same. It's so easy, it's free. Instead of spending my money to buy this on Amazon and you're visible, everybody will realize you're in the car. Okay, I'm done here. And next step, to secure this mesh on the window, I can put just my credit or debit card or any card or anything small like this card, and I will secure it. Okay, now it's done. Looks so good. And now my window is open, and I'm protected. Looks good. This is basic landscape fabric for garden. Okay, this is a piece of fabric. It's nighttime. If somebody approach to your car, you can see the silhouette. See? You can put it like this or like this. To secure this curtains, you can use these clips. Okay, let's continue. Here is a hand holder, and here is a car belt. You just put it there and fix it with a clip. Yeah, like this. To take it off, it's just easy, just like this. That's it. You're done.